How to get free units in Marvel Rivals. So if you don't know where to claim the units for free in the game, you just basically need to go here on your achievements. Just by clicking on your profile icon here on the top, go to achievements, then go to heroic journey. So if you've been playing for quite some time, you could just claim the achievements that you've earned up while playing and check this gift icon here on the top. And as you can see, once you have achieved all of this achievement points, you could get for like 100, 200, or up to 200 here on the last part. So it gives you 200 starting with this 360 achievement points. So you could also claim the units also here on the Chronoverse Saga. If you've played for quite some time, you could check out this page to get the units here. So it gives you 400 units for this one. And what you also can do is just go to settings, then go to community. As you can see here, if you do the instructions right here, it will give you 100 units, so just follow it. And also here, the hero assembly event and the NGP member event. If you did all this, you could get up to like 400, 500 units just by doing all of this. And that's how you can basically get free units in Marvel Rivals.